So can you tell us something about posting employers to Switzerland? Maybe what are the main points to be taken care of?
Well, it's a complicated system actually, but I think the main point is that you need to inform yourself what are the salaries, what are the wages in Switzerland, and read about the laws we have. So it's the same system like for all the other European member states. So if you post a worker, let's say to Germany, to Austria or to Switzerland, you need to respect the local conditions. So working conditions and salaries are something to learn about. We have a really good website, it's called www.entsendung.ch, where you'll find all the information you need.
What is the impact of the results of the last referendum on quota on immigrants in Switzerland?
Yeah, well, for the moment there is no consequences. So until 2017 the system stays the same. So Slovenian companies can post workers to Switzerland the same as they did the last 4 years. But from 2017 on we'll have a new system, and we don't know how the system's going to look like. So the government is figuring out how to implement these quotas. So the initiative demands that there's quota, so we limit immigration, and there's priority hiring for Swiss people, for Swiss nationals. So from 2017 on it might be more difficult for Slovenian companies to come to Switzerland. However, we don't know if the liberalization of services is in the system or not. So at the moment we have no information. But I think the most important point is nothing changes until 2017.